Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of Chem Solve. We have already started our series Organic Chemistry, and today is the fifth lecture of this series. Today's topic is cracking. So let's start it. As the name indicates, cracking mean, in easy words, cracking mean breakdown. So, as a concept, we can keep in our mind that in cracking we are gonna break down something. What is that? So, let me write the exact definition of cracking. Cracking is the breakdown of long chain hydrocarbons into smaller molecules. This is the definition of the cracking. Okay, before looking at its example, let me tell you that how many type of cracking are there. So the next topic is types of cracking. There are basically two types of the cracking. First one is called thermal cracking. In this type of cracking, we provide high temperature to break down larger hydrocarbons into smaller molecules. The other type is catalytic cracking. In this type of cracking, we use two catalysts. One is alumina Al2O3 and the other is silica SiO2 for the same function. So basically, in catalytic cracking, we use catalyst instead of high temperature and it become more economical. So let me write it. We use cheap catalyst instead of high temperature to get smaller and more useful hydrocarbon. So this process is more economical. Understood? Now let's see what happens in cracking. As we have discussed earlier, that in cracking, basically we are going to take the larger hydrocarbon. So let me take a 6 carbon hydrocarbon, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to attach hydrogen atom with it. Okay, so this is a larger molecule and its name is hexane. Now, through cracking, what we will do, we will break down this molecule. For example, if I break it down from here through cracking, so what will happen, there would be two different molecules. One has 4 carbon, so I'm going to just write these 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the other has these 2 carbon, so I'm going to write it here, 1, 2. Now this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hydrogen attached with it. So I'm gonna just make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 hydrogen will be attached with it. By the way, we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hydrogen in total. So I have attached 10 hydrogen here. Now we are left with only 4 hydrogen. So for the other molecule, let me attach these 4 hydrogen with it. Now the valency of these 2 carbon atoms are not satisfied. Each carbon is making only 3 bonds like this. So in order to satisfy the valency, I have to put a double bond over here. Now you can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon like this molecule that we initially taken. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hydrogen like this entire molecule. So we can say that this hexane has been cracked into a butane, an alkane, or into ethene, that is an alkane. So here I can just write that a higher alkane upon cracking produces a smaller alkane as well as a smaller alkene. Okay, so this is the one way in which we can write down the equation for cracking. Let me write another equation for the same molecule. So I'm again gonna take hexane like this. Let me complete its hydrogen number. Okay. I'm again gonna break it down from here. So resultantly, I got a 4 carbon chain and a 2 carbon chain. And I want to make both of them an alkene. So I put a double bond with both the molecules. Now let me complete its hydrogen number. The name of this molecule is hexane and its formula is C6H14. While here you can see carbon number are 6 and calculate the hydrogen number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 hydrogen and we need 14 hydrogen. So what I will do, I will add 2 hydrogen here as well. Okay, so both of them are alkene. The name for the first molecule is butene, that is an alkene, and the name of the second molecule is ethene, and it is also an alkene along with hydrogen. So from this discussion we conclude that another type of equation for cracking, we can crack a long chain alkane upon cracking can be converted into a mixture of different alkenes. As we got here, we got 2 types of alkene. One is butene and one is ethene along with hydrogen. So either cracking can convert a higher alkane into smaller alkane and smaller alkene, or it can convert a long chain alkane, a higher alkane, into a mixture of 2 or more different types of alkenes and hydrogen. Now coming towards the last topic of today's lecture, and that is uses of cracking. What is the need of it? Why do we crack? So basically there are 3 uses for it. The first one is used to produce short chain alkenes, as we can see here, and these alkenes are used as a raw material 4 different industries such as formation of ethanol and plastic. The second use is that it used to produce hydrogen. As we can see here, hydrogen is being produced, which is used in Haber process to manufacture ammonia and also in hydrogen oxygen fuel cells. The third use is used to produce petrol fractional distillation produces higher and less useful fractions which are cracked to get short and more useful fractions. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.